log root 35 to base 10 plus log root 2 to base 10 minus log root 7 to base 10. Or if I apply the laws of logarithm, this first one here will be log root 35 times root 2 to base 10 minus log root 7. And that will be log root 35 times root 2 is root 70. That is solved. Root a times root a is root a times, okay, let me use b here. Root a times root b is root a times b. So root 35 times root 2 is 35 times 2, then under the square root, then minus log root 7 to base 10. This is to base 10. Now that will be log root 70 over root 7 to base 10. Again, solve root a over root b is root a over b. So this will be log root 70 over 7 to base 10, which is root 70 over 7 is 10. So root 10 to base 10. Let's assume this is equal to s. That means 10 to the power of s, I'm expressing it in index form, the square root of 10. On square root of 10, I can write as 10 to the power of half. So 10 to the power of s is 10 to the power of half. The bases are the same. See half and I root s. 10 to the power of s equal to 10 to the power of half. The bases are the same. So we equate the power. S is equal to half.